Learn English to Gujarati. Conscience, succinct, pointed, nuanced, stringent, coherent in
Gujarati.
Welcome, brave word explorer. Today you are not just learning vocabulary. You are adopting a tiny squad of clever words and giving them a home in your brain. Meet today's heroes. Conscience is.
Konzis.
Succinct is.
Sankshipt.
Pointed is.
Anidar.
Nuanced is.
Sukshma-bhed-sabhar.
Differentiated is.
Bhed-sabhar.
Stringent is.
Kadak.
Coherent is.
Susangat.
Consistent is also.
Susangat.
Yes, two English words sharing one Gujarati word. Language loves a bargain. The cafe of suspiciously intelligent pigeons. Let's drop these words into a silly story, because your brain loves weird details almost as much as it loves snacks. I walked into a cafe run by pigeons. The manager, a bird wearing glasses, said, "Please keep your order."
Sankshipt.
We are busy. I respected that. A succinct pigeon is a dangerous professional. Then another pigeon gave me a very
Anidar.
look, the kind that says, "You are thinking about stealing fries." But my
Konzis.
told me to be honest, so I ordered my own plate. On the wall was a sign with
Kadak.
rules. No shouting, no seed throwing, and absolutely no arguing with the cashier about breadcrumbs. The menu was surprisingly
Susangat.
every section matched, every price made sense, and the dessert strategy was fully coherent, or should we say,
Susangat.
even the tea options were
Bhed-sabhar.
clearly separated for different tastes. And the owner's opinion about biscuit quality was wonderfully
Sukshma-bhed-sabhar.
not just good or bad, but crispy, humble, slightly dramatic. Word spotlight. Now let's make each word stand up, wave, and introduce itself properly. Conscience equals.
Konzis.
Example. My conscience tells me to be honest. In Gujarati, maram.
Konzis.
Main amanadara raheva kahi che. Succinct equals.
Sankshipt.
Example. Please keep your answer succinct. In Gujarati, Kirpa Kareem Tamaro Javaba.
Sankshipt.
Rako. Pointed equals.
Anidar.
Example. The pencil has a pointed tip. In Gujarati, Pencilani Toka.
Anidar.
Che. Nuanced equals.
Sukshma-bhed-sabhar.
Example. Her opinion was nuanced, not simply yes or no. In Gujarati, Tino Abipraya.
Sukshma-bhed-sabhar.
Hato. Differentiated equals.
Bhed-sabhar.
Example. The teacher used a differentiated approach. In Gujarati, Siksake.
Bhed-sabhar.
Abhigama Apanavio. Stringent equals.
Kadak.
Example. The school has stringent rules. In Gujarati, Salamam.
Kadak.
Niyamo che. Coherent equals.
Susangat.
Example. Her explanation was coherent. In Gujarati, Teni Samajavada.
Susangat.
Hattie. Consistent equals.
Susangat.
Example. The report is consistent with the data. In Gujarati, Ahivala Ankadau Saith.
Susangat.
Che. Tiny dialogue, big memory. Listen to this mini scene and notice how the words behave in context. Like tiny actors, but cheaper. A. Should I lie? B. Listen to your.
Konzis.
A. Can you make this shorter? B. Yes, I will make it.
Sankshipt.
A. Is that tool safe? B. Not really, it is.
Anidar.
A. Is the issue simple? B. No, it is.
Sukshma-bhed-sabhar.
A. Is this one plan for everyone? B. No, it is.
Bhed-sabhar.
For different needs. A. Are the regulations relaxed? B. No, they are.
Kadak.
A. Is your argument clear from beginning to end? B. Yes, it is.
Susangat.
Memory tricks that are not illegal. Here are fast hooks to make the words stick. No glue required. Think of
Konzies.
as the tiny lawyer in your chest saying, "Objection, that was a bad idea." That is conscience. 4.
संक्षिप्त.
Pinch your fingers close together. Small, neat, brief, succinct. 4.
अणीदार.
Imagine a sharpened pencil tip poking your pocket and demanding respect. 4.
सूक्ष्मभेदसभर.
Picture a painting with many tiny shades. Not simple, but nuanced. 4.
भेदसभर.
Imagine sorting socks by color, size, and personality. Differentiated, highly organized socks. 4.
कड़क.
Hear a strict drumbeat. No slack. Stringent. 4.
सुसंगत.
Imagine puzzle pieces fitting together perfectly. That is coherent, and also consistent. Quick challenge. Your turn. I ask, you answer in your head, out loud, or dramatically to the ceiling fan. What is the Gujarati word for conscience?
कोनजीज.
What is the Gujarati word for succinct?
संक्षिप्त.
What is the Gujarati word for pointed?
अणीदार.
What is the Gujarati word for nuanced?
सूक्ष्मभेदसभर.
What is the Gujarati word for differentiated?
भेदसभर.
What is the Gujarati word for stringent?
कड़क.
What Gujarati word can mean both coherent and consistent?
सुसंगत.
Your final mission. Let's finish strong with a short recap you can replay in your mind later. Preferably before your brain starts thinking about snacks again. A clear inner moral voice is.
कोनजीज.
A brief and sharp answer is.
संक्षिप्त.
A sharp tip or sharp remark can be.
अणीदार.
A subtle, layered opinion is.
सूक्ष्मभेदसभर.
A carefully separated approach is.
भेदसभर.
Very strict rules are.
कड़क.
And when ideas fit together well, they are.
सुसंगत.
Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back tomorrow so these English and Gujarati words become your old friends.